Find an area that you don't use every day that you can set up your skirting equipment and that you're out of the way. So we're going to show you how to do that. First step, lay down a drop cloth. This is a canvas painter cloth. Foldable sawhorses get set up. I like to use 2 sets of sawhorses, and then I cover the tops with a towel. I use the racks that you make closet shelves with, and I like to put a gap in the middle because obviously it helps me secure it a little bit better by folding it over the edges. And this gives me a workspace that I can put my fiber on and then lay some containers on as well. The other thing that you're going to want to consider is what are you going to be doing while you're skirting. So having a television, listening to an audio book, visiting with someone, because to pass your time. And again, if you prepare your fiber correctly on the animal, meaning shearing it at its prime, your skirting isn't going to take as long. Note that this whole setup took me less than 5 minutes to put together. And when company comes, I can disassemble it as quick. Just going to make yourself have a comfortable chair for sitting and set up your baskets accordingly. All right, thanks for watching.